Welcome everyone, this is Sandhya Mantha and you are watching how we set up a warm cafe, warm farm. And what we've got here is 5 liters of water, and I just opened a brand new bedding block. That is the bed for the beautiful worms, and what we have is 1,000 live worms, packed fresh, organic, in a pack that will start our warm farming.
Yeah!
Excited. My kids are super excited. They find it very interesting. You should show the live worms. Here, that's a pack. Worms, all of them live, healthy, moving, and we've got plenty of food stored to feed the hungry worms.
Ding!
Okay, welcome back guys. It's more than 10 minutes now. I'm trying to open up my bedding block, the bed for the worms, and it is looking like this, nice and healthy. So just a bit of a caution, make sure the bucket is more than 10 liters big. As the block, though it looks so small, it actually has grown into this size. Like you can see, it's literally 10 times. And what I did, just to help the process a little bit, I put some warm water.
Yeah!
So now the bed is ready, and I'll see you next after the live worms are put into my bed.
Actually, correction time with your boy Soul Collaborator Academy Apprentice. Actually, we'll see you when Sunday here has finished all the blocks and when she's gonna put the live worms. Correction time over. Ding! See ya.
Guys, so the next step is I've got one working tray here, and what I have done is cut the cardboard that comes with the warm cafe, and I put a layer of it just to make sure my bedding doesn't fall through the little holes here. So that's how it's recommended to do. And what I'm doing with my working tray now is I will evenly distribute the coil bedding on top of the cardboard packing. So there you go. I put all of it, and what we would like to do is put it all evenly, so all the worms get to spread, and they have plenty of room and plenty of food. All of it done. And now I am just spreading it all even.
Guys, this is Soul Collaborator Academy Apprentice, also known as, I don't know, I have no idea, but nice job. Anyway, so if you feel this, it's really soft. It's just so satisfying, guys. I don't know if you know this, but you got to do this stuff. Oh, by the way, if you don't know where we got this stuff, we got it from Bunnings, so it's pretty easy. And we'll see you after it's smoothly surfaced. Look at my hand. Okay, we'll see you when it's smoothly surfaced.
So that's the pack of 1,000 live worms, the composting worms that are all the hard-working bugs. Cut it now. It's fine.
Basically, what my mom just said was cut this like this and put it here. Also, by the way,
yeah.
Okay, why do I sound like
1, 2.
It's gonna take more than 3.
Is it hard to cut?
Sort of.
You just gotta eat food so you feel stronger.
What, the worms?
No, not properly now.
The worms, yeah, I can't wait to give them dinner.
Okay, cut it. You don't want to put your fingers in the worms, okay?
Really? You think that? Oh, by the way, my name's Sandhya. I'm a Soul Collaborator Academy Apprentice. Don't think I'm putting my hand in there. I'll do the honors.
Yeah, don't put them on the... Just bend over koncham and do it gently.
She meant bend a bit.
Woo! Slowly. slowly, slowly.
Sheesh.
Okay.
Oh my
Now,
god.
now what we do?
Any worms left
So
over?
even gavayanta kuppala esam.
Okay.
So all the worms in here, all the 1,000 live worms.
Psych.
You can see the slowly. They don't like much light. They don't like much heat.
Oh,
They like a
God.
nice cool place. they like something really cool and nice. So they're just going under and hiding under. There you go.
Can I
There
pick
you
one
go.
worm up?
Oh my god, they're all busy trying to hide. And we just give it like around 10 to 15 minutes
Can I take
time so they
one out?
all know they all can go and hide under. Once they're all gone under, what we're going to then do is to nicely cover them with their sleep blanket so they all feel pretty comfy in there.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure what's going on in I was better in.
And now it's been roughly 10 to 15 minutes. As you can see, all the worms have actually settled right into the bedding.
You can't see one. I think I see like one,
Yeah, a couple
two.
of them, they're still trying to find
three.
their way under. It looks like a very cozy space now.
And now we're
What
gonna put on
to
the
do-
blanket.
Yeah, that's a beautiful blanket to cover them so they feel like they are in.
Technically, you're suffocating them.
No, they like it because they don't like too much bright. Or is it?
Yeah, I don't get that, guys.
Okay, so now what we're going to do
Is put on the lid.
just cover the rest.
And then we sit on it.
And we're going to leave it for 3 to 4 days.
Okay. And we'll be right back. Oh, it hasn't been 4 days. We'll be right back.